Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Jira epics and stories for better planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Jira epics and stories for better planning, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to create epics and stories. Click on the backlog option in the left sidebar. In the backlog view, you'll find an option to create a new epic. Click on the Create Epic button, usually located at the top of the backlog section. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your epic. Add a brief summary to outline the purpose and goals of the epic. Assign a priority level to help your team understand its importance. Save the epic once you've filled in all necessary details. Now, it's time to create stories under the epic. Click on the plus Create button in the backlog view. Choose the issue type as story from the drop-down menu. Map the story to the corresponding epic using the Epic Link field. Provide a concise title that effectively describes the story's objective. Add a more detailed description to clarify the requirements. Estimate the story points if your team uses them for planning. After entering all necessary details, save the story. Repeat this process to create additional stories under the same epic. Organize your stories by prioritizing them based on team needs. You can drag and drop stories within the backlog to rearrange their order. Regularly review and update the status of epics and stories as your project progresses. Utilize Jira's reporting features to track the performance of your epics and stories. Communicate with your team about any changes or updates related to the epics and stories. Encourage your team to contribute to the backlog by adding their own ideas for stories. As your project evolves, re-evaluate and adjust the epics and stories accordingly to stay aligned with project goals. This method of organizing work will enhance planning and visibility for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.